Up guys, welcome to today's episode of 5 Minute Math. 5 Minute Math, the program where you give me 5 minutes and I give you the day's math lesson. Alright guys, if you're in your books today in Go Math, we're on page 13 guys in lesson 1.3. In today's lesson we're supposed to compare and order numbers. Many of you guys might remember the alligators, those little signs like that, and they always eat the bigger number. That's what we're talking about today when we're comparing numbers, guys. But we're not just comparing small numbers anymore. We're comparing hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, and thousands, guys. This is the 4th grade. It's the big show. All right, so let's take a look at how to do one of these problems, guys. Let's take a look here at step 1. It says compare the hundred thousands first, because we're trying to compare two numbers. We're trying to compare, if we look up here, 651,028 to 665,188. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is you always want to start with your hundred thousands. The hundred thousands is where you will start. So if we look at our hundred thousands, guys, both of them are sixes. We have 6 and 6. 600 thousands right here equals 600 thousands. So the next step then is to look at our tens of thousands, which is step 2. All right, so in step 2, now we're looking at our tens of thousands. And in this one, guys, here for this number, we have a 5. So we have 5 10,000s. And here we have 6 10,000s. Well, 6 10,000s is greater than 5 10,000s. And guys, if you think about the alligators always want to eat the most food. They're really hungry creatures, guys. So the alligator points towards the bigger number. His mouth is open towards that 6 10,000s. He's going to gobble that up for his dinner today, guys. So that is how you do these. You start off with your biggest digit, guys. In this case, your hundreds of thousands. If those are the same, you move on to your tens of thousands. If the tens of thousands were the same, guys, then you would move on to your thousands. If those are the same, you would move on to your hundreds. So let's stop talking about it and let's get to it and be about it, guys. Let's try to do a problem together. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start on this share and show right here. I'm not going to do example 2. Instead, I'm going to do number 1 right here for you. So this one, we have a number line, and this time we're comparing 15,327 to 15,341. Now I notice in this one, guys, my tens of thousands are the same, and my thousands are the same, and even my hundreds are the same. That means I'm working my way all the way over to my tens to do my comparison. Now if I located these numbers on a number line, here's 15,320, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So this number right here is this point here, and let's choose a different color. And the other number, 15,341, here's 15,340, so 41 would be right here. So you can see it's farther down the number line. 15,341 is the greater number. So I can go ahead and fill in my alligator. Let's choose green for the alligator. And I'm going to have him eat that bigger number, guys, 15,341. Let's do one more problem, guys. Let's take a look at number 2 here on our page. Number 2 says 631,328, and we're comparing that to 640,009. All right, so first step, guys, like I said, we're going to check our hundreds of thousands. Well, this one has 6 and this one has 6, so we move on over. Let's check next door. This one has 3 tens of thousands. This one has 4 tens of thousands. So I'm going to grab my alligator and I'm going to feed him to the bigger number, and he's going to have 640,009 for lunch because that's the bigger number. Alright, guys, I think that most of you guys probably get the point. What I'm going to do is go ahead and turn you guys loose to do some problems on your own. On your own, guys, you're going to be working on page 15 today. Page 15, you're going to be doing numbers 7 through 16. If you're able to do those, guys, you're going to move on over to the next page, which is page 16, and you're going to be doing numbers 18 through 20. You don't have to do 21 or 22, guys, so make sure that you know which ones you're supposed to do. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Tune in next time for more exciting math.